Adobe Creative Cloud plugins and integrations.
Hi everyone, I am Tina from Preely, and Preely is a self-service platform for unmoderated remote user testing. And you can actually also host your own test panel at our platform as well. But today I'm going to show you our plugin for Adobe XD. So I'll start by sharing my screen and take you on the journey. So here we are in Adobe XD. I have a prototype set up. I've also logged into Preely as well. And now I actually want to link my prototype to a test in Preely. So I will click link, and then we are in Preely. I'll create a new test. I'll just call it test today. I'll choose smartphone because it's a smartphone test that I have designed. And then I'm actually good to go. Then I go into XD again, and then I choose all the artboards I want to export. I want to export my whole prototype, so I'll choose the flow, and I'll tap export to Preely. And of course, we also support all the interactions that you have, so you don't need to do double work when you have your prototype arriving at Preely. So we are almost there, awesome, and we go over, close these ones as well, and make sure that the prototype is here. We can see it here. We can see we have all the interactions as well. And then you have the opportunity of enriching your prototype in Preely. And I guess that a lot of you know that normally when you make a test and have some input field, you'll just have some predefined input field, and then you'll have your participant click through. In Preely, you have the opportunity of adding what we call Preely forms, and that actually make it possible for your participants to type in real information. So for instance, here I want to have an email. I'll type, it should be email that should be typed in. And then I also have the opportunity of having a validation of this input field in order to see if the participants have actually written in something. And then if they haven't, you can make your own error message. So that's how you can enrich everything here. Then I'll close it again. And then you of course have the opportunity of setting up different tasks. You have the opportunity of adding different questions as well. We have some predefined questions in here, but of course you can also customize the questions as you go. I have cheated a bit from home and actually made a whole test here. So here you can see that I have a welcoming text saying hello and welcome, setting the scene. Then I have a first task where I'm setting the scene and giving an introduction, and then a specific task. Then I have a start screen and an end screen, and then we're actually good to go with the task. Furthermore, I have asked a question as well, in this case, a Likert question, and then everything is actually good to go. As you can see, I have two tasks, two questions, and then I want to share the test. You can share it via link, so share it directly on different social media channels, for instance, or via newsletter, if that's what you prefer. And you can also share it with your test panel if you have that hosted at our platform. And when you're done, you can jump into analytics and see all the stuff that has been going on, and look into different both performance metrics, but also self-reported metrics as well. So that was all I wanted to show you today. Of course, if you have any questions, if you are curious to hear more, please reach out to us, and then we'll definitely see if we can help you. So bye everyone.